Welcome! Are you experiencing random error codes, or maybe you have installed a software that promised to make your computer faster but actually broke your Windows installation? Today I'm going to show you how we can solve many Windows 10 and 11 related issues using only two simple commands. Don't worry, anything we are going to do in this tutorial will delete any of your personal folder or files or cause any harm to your computer. The process is the same for Windows 10 and 11 and require an internet connection. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started by doing a right click on the Windows logo in the taskbar and selecting Terminal or PowerShell as an administrator. If asked, type your password and then we grant administrator access by clicking on Yes. If we don't do so, everything we will do later won't work. Then we can write our first command, which is dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Make sure to write everything with the right capital letters and spaces, and then press enter. This will check from Microsoft if your system is healthy. After doing so, we can write our second command, which is sfc/scannow. This will check if your file system has been corrupted and in case fix it. Now you can restart your computer and that's it. If this video was useful, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!